Okay, this is our 9th video in our series of astronomy in terms of galaxies, and we're going to be talking about a different type of galaxy now. These are the lenticular galaxies. We find that they are flat and rotating, so similar to spiral galaxies, that they're flat and rotating. However, they rotate faster than spiral galaxies. They're very disorderly and have no arms, so similar to an elliptical galaxy in their level of chaos. Now, what we do tend to notice is that they have central bulges, and their bulge to disk ratio is greater than spirals. So basically, they have larger centers than spiral galaxies do effectively. We also tend to notice that they have very limited loose gas. That means there's not a lot of extra hydrogen running around to make those blue first-generation stars. So there are very few of those blue first-generation stars. Instead, they have the older generation, the red and the yellow stars. Now, when we look at a lenticular galaxy, if we look at it from the edge, we see that they look very similar to a spiral, flat with a central bulge. But when we look at it in cross-section, they look very much like an elliptical, round with a chaotic center. Okay, so we're then left to wonder, how did these galaxies come to be? There are two theories currently around, and the first is that they're faded spirals, that somehow they've exhausted their gas, and so now they're just faded older spiral galaxies. But the problem with that is they're disorderly, which is unlike a spiral galaxy, and they also tend to be brighter with more stars and a larger bulge to disk ratio, so that kind of disproves that idea. The other possibility is that maybe they're two spiral galaxies have merged. But that seems unlikely because they're still on a flat plane, and they're also rotating faster, and they also have that minimal loose gas in those new stars, so that doesn't seem very likely either. A third option, though, is that perhaps they're just a completely different type, and if we just understood how galaxies formed, we would understand that they just formed in a different manner. Thank you.